Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to control panel. So go to search bar, type your control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select the view by as large icons. If you selected category, and if you see this window, just go to view by and select large icons and just scroll down and find out sound. So click here to open it. Once we are here, close the background window. We will need this window only. So first of all, try to disable speakers and again enable it. This will also fix the issue. If this not work, just select the speakers, go to properties, go to levels tab and make sure we have to set speakers up to the 100%, and now go to enhancements tab and check this option, disable all enhancements, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, you can also do the same process for microphone, disable it and enable it again. Once done, just click on apply and then OK. Now go to the device manager. Again, go to search bar and type here device manager. Click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the speakers and go to its properties. Now click on drivers tab, then click on update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, close this windows and now expand sound, video and game controllers. Right click on the audio device, go to its properties and go to drivers tab. Click on update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. Problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.